Welcome to JoVE. Let's take a look at how you can embed JoVE videos in Blackboard Ultra. Sign in to your JoVE account. Choose a video of your interest. Click on Embed Video. Click on Copy Embed Code. Sign in to Blackboard. Navigate to your Blackboard Ultra course. Click on the plus button under Course Content. Choose Create from the drop-down menu. Click on Document. Enter a title. Click on HTML. Paste the embed code. Make it visible to students. Click on Save. That's it. Thank you for watching.